Hello everyone, my name is Dayana Delgado, and in this video I am going to talk about the experience I had on my trip to Rome, which was the best experience because I spent this wonderful moment with my family, such as my mother, my father, my sister, and my partner. The day before the trip, we stayed in a hotel near the Delgado airport in Bogota. That night, we hardly slept all night. We were talking about what we were going to do in Rome. The next day, during the flight, my parents were nervous before getting on the plane, but when instead they were impressed and very happy. Um, when we arrived in Rome, we took a taxi and went to the apartment that we had managed the separate for our stay. When we got there, we all took our rooms. We got ready to go out. I put on shorts, blue shoes, a cap and glass, and we went to look for some bicycles for our first tour. We when we went out on our bicycles, my father had several accidents on it first. He fell silent and then he hit a bush. It was a lot of fun. Um, During that day, we went to the Trevi Fountain, the Plaza de San Pedro. We bought ice cream there and then we went to eat a restaurant that was located, located on a terrace, sometimes very authentic and beautiful. There, my mother asked for different kinds of cheeses since she loves cheese, and I turned out that it had been she were allergic to one of those dish of those cheese, and we had to go to the hospital. Uh, Although it was not very serious, we did get scared. After everything that had happened to us and that we had enjoyed it, at night we went to see a performance in a theater and it was beautiful. At the end of everything, we returned to the apartment to tell about all the funny moments that we had spent. And during those 10 days ago, to know the best place. I tried the most delicious dishes at food, and in the end, when returned, we bring home a small souvenir for each of my family members, cousins, aunts, and others. Thank you so much.